are going to do a beautiful origami butterfly craft. So let's begin. So for the butterfly we need scissors, square paper which is 13 centimeter, and small pieces for the butterflies, this thing. So let's begin. First we need to fold this into triangle shape. After folding, let's open it, and we need to fold it from the upper side to the down side. And after that, again we need to fold it back and just fold like this and turn like this, and again fold the niche, and like this, just pop that, and like this, or like this, put like this and this side, just come that in, just let that go in. Yeah, now it's done. Then fold this, this side, and again open it, and take your scissors and cut almost like this kind of shape on the both the sides. So I've cut it, and then we need to put it like this, and we need to fold this part, and again we need to fold this part. And what we need to do is, this back side thing, this one, that should be gone, back side. Yeah, here. Yeah, it's gone. Yeah, and just come that and fold a bit. That's a little bit hard. And then we need to just put this in. So look, that's finished. So just need some small cuttings over here. Let's cut that almost like this, and let's cut it. So our butterfly is ready. Now we need to stick this. So let's stick it. So our butterfly is ready. So friends, thanks for watching, and I will come back with a new video.